In this video, we'll be looking at the Ask AI app, where you can revolutionize your AI experience by simultaneously generating responses from the Trinity, from OpenAI, from Claude AI, and Perplexity AI. All right, let's jump right in. So with Ask AI, you can treat it like you treat any other LLM or large language model, where you can just type a message and the AI will respond accordingly. So on the left, this is where you would add that message to Ask AI. You can also upload an image for the AI to analyze any image, or if you have a file like a PDF file, the AI can also analyze that. Same thing with URLs. So you can input any of these values, and the AI will analyze it for you. Once you complete inputting your information, you just select generate results, and you will have 3 results. So the first result will be from OpenAI, the second will be from Claude AI, and the third will be from Perplexity AI. So to keep everything simple, I'm just going to enter a response here. Ask the AI, let's see, how do you feel? Okay, better yet, how will the recent elections affect the notary industry in 2025? Okay, so let's generate results and let's see what happens. So the AI responded accordingly, and 3 outputs were produced. So the first is the OpenAI response, the Claude response, and the Perplexity AI response. So if we just look at it over real quick, OpenAI responded says the effect of recent elections in the notary industry in 2025 can be analyzed from several perspectives, including regulatory changes, economic factors, and technological advancements. And then goes over the regulatory changes, economic factors, technological advancements, potential scenarios, and summary. So it goes over that. Claude AI gave a similar response. Says the impact of recent elections on the notary industry in 2025 will likely depend on several factors involving changes in policy, economic conditions, and technology. Then I went over the policy changes, economic conditions, technological advancements, and drew a conclusion here. Secondary for Perplexity AI's response. The impact of recent elections on the notary industry in 2025 is likely to depend on changes in regulatory frameworks, economic conditions, and technological advancements instituted by the new government. If policy shifts encourages digital transformation, the industry may see increased adoption of online notarization services. Conversely, heightened regulations could alter operational procedures for notaries, and yada yada yada. So it goes over 3 different outputs. All of them are pretty much similar because they all from AI and from large language models, so they will produce results. With Perplexity AI, however, it should get information from the internet to pull and gather data, because it's more of a research tool in real time. What's cool with this is that you can actually provide a response to these LLM models. They'll kind of like having a conversation with OpenAI or ChatGPT or one of those or Claude or whatever, or any of those models, where you can kind of have a conversation with the AI. So let's see if we can generate a response. What do? Let's see. How do you think 2026? Well, okay. How would this apply in 2026? How will this scenario apply in 2026? You see, spelling is not my first talent. I'm a top talent. All right, so I'm going to submit this, and then you're going to see the updated results shortly. So the updated results didn't give results from each language model, but it did just produce an overall output. So it says the impact of recent elections on the notary industry in 2026. And again, it went over the regulatory changes, economic conditions, technological advances, and uncertainties. Okay, so we asking the AI to predict things in the future. So it's going to kind of give a general response to what we asked. But again, you can also add images, and it'll do the same thing for any files. So if you have a PDF file that you want to upload, or if you want to do from the URL, will be a good option. That it will pull information from the URL as well. The development team, we are working on an updated version to this, because this is kind of our first iteration of having a conversation with AI, but we are improving upon it, which is very promising. I'm trying to roll it out after the launch of NotaryX.ai, and within a few months of the rollout, we'll be updating this to the new version, which is a lot which feels a lot like ChatGPT, a little bit better. So that's coming in the future. Well, anyway, I hope that you were able to find some value here. So again, instead of subscribing to all these different LLMs, you could when you are on this product, you can just basically get information, get some research from these LLM models, and it will allow you to utilize AI to its full potential. All right, I hope you found some value here. All right, until next time, peace.